Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, cooking up dope in the crock pot.
Bro, these are bad fuck ass though.
I did that same shit too, bro. That same pipe too. I'm not 110% sure, unless that equipment from Bobina is what we're supposed to grab for. We didn't have that key to get into it. Yeah?
Bet.
I got you, bro. Oh, okay, I see you.
Boom, 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 boom. Hell yeah. Bam.
Let me go ask you about that one. All right. So that is the one we're taking?
I think he's gonna ask him. You talking about this unit right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What about this copper line, bro? The copper line's coming off?
What's that?
The copper line's coming off?
You see one.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is everything, bud. All you will need.
Boom.
This is everything.
And this, do I need to be on the shelf too? Where's my spot? Where's my spot?
like this little shit, bud. Like, okay, this. Yeah, they're all little. Yeah, come on. Well, they usually keep this in here, over there, but then.
Oh yeah, that big ass scrap box?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is what y'all already ran yesterday, right?
Yeah, we had to go to set those, but we didn't even use it really.
Oh, okay.
Because then when we stub out the, how we stub out the wall for the copper?
Yeah.
You know how we use the dick out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we really didn't need it. Got it in case.
Hell
You
yeah.
might be grabbing that money. I don't know.
You're like, we need
But
it.
if they want to run a new copper line, they'll usually, get a new copper line and
Bet.
run it out.
Hold on, let me move the lift. Yes, sir. Boom. You got, yeah, you gotta make it good.
You seriously, you did?
You know it's 16 and you have
Oh.
now can't nobody grab a
Hey, bud, all I know is, bud, I ain't never pressed the unit by putting a strap on it. That's all I know.
Stupid.
I ain't never caused me no bonuses because of that.
Sorry about that.
You gotta love it here.
Hell yeah. do a donut. Ah.
But put a smile on.
But you got a dog.
Hey, but would you take $100 million if you're gonna die tomorrow? If I were to give you $100 million, but you die tomorrow, would you take it? No. What do you need to walk around like you got $100 million?
Is the propane on, bro?
Yeah.
Cause I think when me and my brother drove it last for the scissor lift, we killed the propane. Let me turn it on for you real quick.
Was it?
Yeah. All right, go ahead. Yeah, hell yeah.
I seen what he does to unit.
Let me see this. Let me see if I understand some shit. Okay, so
They look a lot better than yours.
What?
The units I do.
If I take all day on mine, it would look good too.
so we need one of those pads that we put out. In the,
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
One of those.
And look, these are drain pans. I think you know that.
So we need
That's a
one of
drain,
those.
yeah. I'll grab that. We'll stage everything.
Gotta haunt that. Hell yeah, bro.
Hey, go give me a highlight, please.
What's that? Bam.
That's a hang right.
Okay, great. Can I put this in here? We'll leave it right there for right now, guys. Sit.
I'm sorry, bro.
What's up?
Just in general, bro, you gotta deal with this shit now. Self-tappers? You got any self-tappers? You gotta take a box like that, bubba. That top one,
We're gonna have to get a license.
For that door? You said a light sensor?
No, a license.
Oh, okay.
Or did we use them all already? We've used them all. Okay, need a light set
Well,
cover.
we have one, but it's that ugly, really like silver gray one. Really
cares?
light. It's really light. It's ugly. It's like.
Okay, some black spray paint. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, well, okay, we need that. Hey, John! John!
2 5s, 2 8s, 8s, 12 and a 16, 2 12s, and 2 16s.
You know what I mean? How they make a little width mark from there to there, but then sometimes these kick in to tell you the actual true size. So I was thinking that, but I'm thinking it's talking about the height. You need them over 12 by 20. We need to cut it down.
This is my reference right here. This is what I'm trying to get on right here. That's done. Let's slap this on the wall. crazy. So this is what we're changing now. We're changing out the orifices right here. I think I'll be able to take this off right here. Take that down.
They like crescent thin though, you know what I mean? But they have the teeth.
Oh, okay.
And you don't have to adjust it. It just like, you seen those where you can like grab it, push
oh,
onto it, and it
Nipix.
adjusts?
Yeah, I think that's the Nipix ones, bro.
No, but look at the vice ones, bro.
Oh, so there's different ones? There's more?
Yeah, I think so. The ones I've been seeing, those are gonna be. What did we get? Oh shoot.
What's up?
See if you can pull one of those burners out and see if these are different, bro. I'm gonna have to replace those things.
Oh,
I just don't know if it's smaller or what, you know what I'm saying?
So what am I taking off? Is it gonna be these back screws in the back? Or is it just this one?
I bet you can take these off. That's interesting. I really don't know how to take that off yet.
No. Oh.
How did these?
Just like that.
Make sure we get them in the same depth. So get those two, bro, and hold them up and push these screws up like where they were gonna go. We'll push these in that hole real quick. Okay, so they're sitting just about even with them, right?
Yeah, that's how, yeah, just even with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much inside that dang thing. Yeah.
Install stainless steel burners supplied with kit. These gotta be different. So what we can do, bro, is just this. I mean, it shouldn't really matter, honestly. But we'll just remember blues on, reds on off. Disconnect that shit.
They're exactly the same, right? It's just that this one does for the propane.
So if you feel them,
Yeah, it feels a little. This
These are
one feels,
heavier.
yeah.
I think that's why they want us to change them too. But dang, you see that? These are already kind of rusting. Just from that few days they were on. We gotta change all these, so these holes will be smaller on this new one.
So this is my new one. This is my new one. This is my old one. New. Wait, how many new ones we got?
I think we got like more than 10.
More than we needed, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, just make sure on here. Alright, Rogers, pressure tap, adapter. Oh, that's sweet. That's nice of them. Yeah, little adapter to check your pressures. See how these ones are black too? I ain't seen them like that. Most of them, they just come to brass, dude. Just paint up the shit.
What'd you say? You said they just painted them with a Sharpie?
That's what it looks like, dude. Just like this right here. That right there.
Your bag?
Yes, ma'am, I
Good.
did.
Good.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Oh, you are.
How big of a deal is this going to be?
Oh, we shouldn't be much longer. Probably like another 20-30 minutes if that. We just gotta get these parts swapped and then we'll test run it and make sure it's regulating right, and then that should be it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Just put these little warning labels in here.
Gotcha.
Here's your bit.
Oh, yeah, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, usually right there. It's in there.
Jerry rig from last time.
Okay, and when you say blue was on, red was on off?
Yes, and then if you can, we'll take this little piece off because that's how we'll adjust it here in a minute. And then,
Take it off all completely?
and you see right here, that little Allen wrench on there?
Yeah.
We take this hole off, anyway, you take this hole off. It's gonna be our inlet where we're gonna measure our inlet, and this will measure our outlet.
Okay.
And this screw is gonna change this reading.
Okay.
This is gonna stay the same. You know what I mean?
Let's see if mine gets that small. I think so.
And on the propane, I think he said you're always looking for like a 7 to an 11. So I'm thinking between that, but I don't think it'll be 11 since we're not even getting that in.
Okay.
So you can turn that one, let's just go down a little bit to like an 8. So she's already,
So I'm back it out
I think so.
or tighten it.
I'm not too sure. Maybe we can just, I think it's backing it out.
Is that moving?
I don't even think we do anything.
Not really much.
Tiny, pretty much. Look, quite big.
So that's fully tight.
Still ain't good. Let's just back it out like 4 turns.
1, 2, 3, 4. Went down. 3. There it goes.
There we go. And if you notice too, you know if you're burning too hot, if you see a bunch of freaking orange in there, in your flame, you know what I mean?
Okay.
You see a bunch of orange, you know you're burning way too freaking hot. And also another thing too, if you go do a service car or something, you see like turn the heater on, you see a bunch of orange, and let's say you're doing this and it's good, and you still see a bunch of orange. It could be because down in here those heat exchangers are cracked, and so all the air passing through it, it's pulling, you know what I mean? It's pulling air in those heat exchangers, so it's causing a lot of orange to come under there.
Okay.
So it's like putting oxygen to the flame, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.